and good morning and happy Saturday.
Woo! It's Saturday.
It's the weekend.
Love it.
So welcome to our release reveal video where we give you the earliest sneak peek of what's coming next week on our Tuesday release. And Tuesday, it's March 31st, which is the very last day of the month and the very last Tuesday of the month, which means it's time for our card making kit release. And we are excited about this one. Yes. We say that every time.
I know. It's so hard to not be excited, though.
I know. I love...
You're turning into me, you know, because I'm like easily excitable. And now you're like, we're excited about everything.
I know.
It's hard.
I am excited about this one, though, because I think it really... kind of speaks to what we're about at Tailored Expressions, which we want you to send those cards that you make, and this particular kit is going to help you make even more cards with the same amount of steps. And so we have other products in our collection that do something similar, but we actually heard from many of you who wanted this option, and so we're excited to be able to present it to you in a kit, and hopefully it's useful for a lot of your mass producing as you share even more joy with others. So should we get started?
Yes.
Okay. I am going to show you guys what this kit looks like then. It is called Florals and Flutters, which means flowers and butterflies. And I'm going to open it up here, take out all of our contents from this zipper pouch with our little sticker on the front. These are easily removable if you want to remove them, or you can store your kit stuff in here as well. Okay, so the kit begins with the Florals and Flutters Stamp and Stencil combo. It's been a while since we've done a Stamp and Stencil combo that creates this fun pattern design. So everything you see in black is part of the stamp, and then the stencils, there are 3 layers that create the florals and the flutters to go on your background. So lots of fun options.
I love this color theme on the front too.
I know, it's so happy.
The pinks and the orange, and I love that.
So this is a 6x6 background stamp and then 6x6 stencils. And what we had heard from many of you is that you love our happy half sheet concept that allows you to cut apart your half sheet that you've stamped into many different pieces and make multiple cards with them. But a lot of the things that we are stamping, stenciling, patterning, they come in 6x6 size. So we had heard from you that you would like some maps for cutting apart your 6x6 pieces into different sizes that you can use on several card fronts. So this is the Happy Square Sheets. It is available as part of the kit, and it resembles very closely what we do for our Happy Half Sheet maps, except for it's in a square. So you're going to stencil your 6x6 design onto a piece of cardstock, and then you're going to cut off the white space around the edges so that you have a final piece that measures 5 3/4 square. And then, depending on what pattern you want to use, you have these maps that tell you exactly how to cut the pieces apart. And then on the back, you have the different layout ideas and even color combo ideas that you can use to create your projects.
I love this.
So in this, there are 5 maps. They are printed and laminated, so they're a great reference. They fit into our 6x6 stencil storage binder and sleeves if you're looking for a storage solution for those. Of course, they would also fit in our medium binder with just extra space at the top. So those are your Happy Square Sheets. And then we've got our insiders, which come in each kit, the insiders, Florals and Flutters. You can see 6 different inside sentiments. You get 2 of each. And these go really well with some other sentiments I'm going to show you here in just a second. Just can't thank you enough. Hope this little hello finds you well. Thinking of you and sending love and hugs. So lots of good general designs or sentiments in that pack. Then we have our tailored tutorial. This is printed on a heavyweight cardstock. You get a photo of Susan's beautiful project along with written instructions, all of the products that you'll need, color combination, to create these 3 beautiful cards using one of the maps in our Happy Square Sheets.
Fun.
So collect all the tailored tutorials, and then also we've got your Pinterest card that has that QR code that you can scan with your phone, and you'll be taken to a Pinterest gallery that shows you all of the inspiration from the design team. So whenever you're ready to create, you have inspiration right at your fingertips. All right, we also have additional products outside of the kit. So if you like to add versatility to your kit, you can do so with these products.
Please.
So along with our designs, often when we're doing happy half sheets, the layouts are pretty simple, and you need a little something extra, like a little tone-on-tone blend in the background. So we have a new Take 2 stencil. This one is called Beads and Blooms. So you have that one pattern that looks kind of like little dots, like little beads. And then over on this side, the pattern resembles flowers. So Beads and Blooms for a Take 2 stencil. And you're going to see a lot of samples using that as well. Then we have our Foilet Florals and Flutters, and you get all of that same pattern. I love this because you could actually use markers and color this in if you wanted to. Of course, you can use the layering stencils to color that in. And the pattern looks really good reverse foiled on the Gina K polyglaze sheets. Yes. So we've got some samples of that as well.
Ooh, I'm excited about that.
And then also for additional purchase, you can buy more of the insiders if you need more than what's in your kit. And then we have the envelope seals, Florals and Flutters. Let me just open these up. I always like to look at the envelope seals. You know, Whitney and I are sticker happy. So we've got the Florals and the Flutters.
Cute. In that same color combo. I love it.
The pinks and oranges that you love so much. All right, so you can bundle your Florals and Flutters, and then we also have some additional products available outside of the bundle. So perfect sentiments for this. This is called Softly Spoken and the coordinating dies. This was available as part of the June Supersize Combo Club last year. So if you were part of Combo Club last year, you had access to purchase this during that time, but we are excited to be bringing it into our collection. There's a perfect sentiment in here that says fluttering by just to say hi. You've got birthday wishes, you are loved, find strength and hope, your kindness means the world to me. So these are now available in the collection. They are not part of the bundle, just in case many of you already have this from the Combo Club.
I love this font that you used in this one too. It's so nice and scripty.
It is. It goes great with those Florals and Flutters with the scripty sentiments. I'm going to stop and show a few samples now. So this is a set of 4 cards from Jill. So all of these cards were made by cutting apart one 6x6 piece of blended and stamped
These are
cardstock.
so wowsy. She
Aren't
used
they?
the foilet and then added color with the stencil.
I love it.
But wow, just that stark contrast too on the white.
The white on white
Yeah.
with her textured background. So she used that quilted piercing design and then an embossing folder for the birthday card. And then just some plain score lines for that one. With her stitching, of course, everything is drawn together with the burlap twine as well. So, and those are all the sentiments from the Softly Spoken stamp set. All right, let's look at a couple other products that are entering the catalog this time. They are not available in the bundle, but they were available to those of you who participated in Virtual Stamp Joy at the beginning of March. This is Mega Messages, Hi, Hey, Hello, and our Boutique Belly Band Edgers. Now, when you're creating cards that are mass-produced and you have maybe smaller areas of pattern, sometimes the best thing is a large focal sentiment. So we thought these Hi, Hey, Hello Mega Messages would be perfect for this release. Also, the Boutique Belly Band Edgers, if you were part of Virtual Stamp Joy, you saw how we used these to tie a belly band around a set of cards. And this is actually the project that I'm going to be making for the live on Tuesday, so I hope you'll join me for that. But this is the Boutique Belly Band Edgers that I stenciled with the new Take 2 Beads and Blooms. And then I have placed that around an A2 card box. So you can take that, actually you don't even need to take it off, it's sort of just decoration. You can open the top, and I have 4 cards and envelopes inside that I used the Hi, Hey, Hello dies as my focal sentiment on these. Of course, I used the foilet as well, so we'll be talking about that. And you can really get a lot of pop from just a few pieces of pattern paper. And we're creating our own patterns, so you have endless options for changing the colors and changing the layouts, all of those fun things. So that's the Hi Hey Hello and the Boutique Belly Band edgers that are sold outside of the kit and would be a great companion to the kit products.
I feel like you made the Mega Messages collection for me because I often told you I need very large sentiment for my patterns.
Just something big.
Yes. And then boom, you had that idea. I was like, this is perfect for me.
All right, let's take a look at just a few more samples. We have this beautiful color combination. Lori Craig created these 2 cards using one of the map patterns and those sentiments from the Softly Spoken, more of the white on white with the texturing using piercing plates. I just think that turned out beautiful. I would not have ever done this together. I love her latte in there with the purples. I think that just looks gorgeous. Then we have this set from Susan that you saw on the tailored tutorial. Really pretty. She embossed her background, which I think is a really fun idea before she blended over the top with those pretty purples and the coral color. I think that's papaya and persimmon there. And then also, if you don't want to mass produce your cards, you don't have to. This kit makes gorgeous background panels for just a single card. Melody created this one, and she found out that the petal pop dies look amazing with this particular imagery. So I love how she did that, and she always decorates the inside of her cards so beautifully. So she foiled that sentiment and added that little strip along the bottom to coordinate with the front of the card as well.
Beautiful.
And then Jill used a heart stacklet, our full heart stacklets, to cut these out and kind of layer them with lots of foam tape, lots of dimension on this one, and another fun layout idea. All right, we did it. We made it through.
See, that was exciting.
Yes, we're still excited.
I know.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you'll come back on Tuesday. The Florals and Flutters kit will be available at 9 a.m. Central Time, and then we will be live at 10 a.m. So come back and join, and I'll talk more about those Happy Square Sheet maps and how you can use them to create cards in your craft room. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.